Changing the favicon in the WordPress Astra theme is simple and can be done through the WordPress customizer. Here's a step-by-step guide. Prepare the favicon. Create an image at least 512 x 512 pixels in size. Save the file in a supported format such as PNG, JPEG or ICO. Access the WordPress customizer. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, Customize to open the customizer. Locate the site identity settings. In the customizer, click on Site Identity. Under the site icon section, you will see the current favicon and the option to upload a new one. Upload the new favicon. Click Select Icon. Upload a new image from your computer or choose an existing image from the media library. Use the cropping tool if necessary to adjust the image. Save and publish. Once uploaded, click the Publish button in the customizer to save the changes. The new favicon will appear in browser tabs, bookmarks, and mobile shortcuts.